Hey you guys, Sports Shot here, and I'm doing another krunker hack video. I posted one, I think it was Friday, and I'm using the hack right now, as you can see, and I just thought it would be a good idea to introduce another one just in case the last one got patched. As you can see, we're playing on Team Deathmatch, but that doesn't really matter. Let's just get right into the hack. Okay, to start off here, the first thing that you're going to want to do, as always, is get Tampermonkey. You can go to tampermonkey.net and download it to Chrome here, or you can go to the Chrome web store, and then you can just search Tampermonkey. It's just a Chrome extension, nothing much, and then once you get it, it'll redirect you to a website showing what Tampermonkey is about. Okay, the next thing that you want to do is, I actually have a link to this down in the description. If you just want to use the link, it'll be a lot easier. But I'm gonna find the working hack. I believe it's this one right here. So once you do click the link in the description, you'll get to this page. All you have to do is click install script, install, and then go to your dashboard. Turn it off on just a few times, doesn't matter. But make sure that that button there is green and it says enabled by the end, and you'll be good to go. But you have to make sure that you wait like 5 or 10 minutes so that it can like settle into the script can get recognized by Tampermonkey and do all that stuff. Okay, now we're gonna load it into a new krunker game. You'll get this pop-up. You're going to want to click always allow, and then you'll connect. Then you can click to play, and as you can see, you can now see people's names through the walls, and then you'll have Aimbot basically. So I'm gonna play this game without using my mouse. My hand is not on my mouse, and I got sniped. Now, sometimes you won't get the kill because a lot of other people do have aimbot. Like those two people, they both shot me at the same exact time. This server seems to have a lot of people with aimbot, but I got him. You won't always get servers with a lot of people with aimbot. It's usually not that many. But yeah, I got him. It's really not that hard. Well, the game's extremely easy with the aimbot. Obviously it would be. So, yeah. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification to be notified when other hack videos come out.